Ever wondered who the mastermind behind the innovative financial platform, OnPay, is? Let's dive into the story of the individual who dared to dream big and revolutionize the way we handle our finances. OnPay's impact. OnPay has rapidly gained popularity, transforming the way people manage their money. From seamless bill payments to instant transfers, OnPay has become an essential tool in the digital age. But who is the visionary behind this groundbreaking platform? The mystery behind the founder. While OnPay's founder has remained relatively anonymous, their impact on the financial industry is undeniable. Let's unravel the mystery and discover the person who has shaped the future of finance. The founder's journey, early life and education. Begin by exploring the early life of the founder, including their upbringing, education, and any formative experiences that may have influenced their entrepreneurial spirit. Inspiration and motivation. Delve into the founder's inspiration for creating OnPay. What drove them to tackle the challenges of the financial industry? Were there personal experiences or observations that fueled their passion? Overcoming obstacles. Discuss the challenges and setbacks the founder faced during their entrepreneurial journey. How did they overcome these obstacles and persevere in their pursuit of success? Key moments and achievements. Highlight significant milestones in the founder's career, including the development of OnPay, securing funding, and achieving key partnerships. The founder's vision, philosophy, and values. Explore the founder's philosophy and values that underpin OnPay. What are their core beliefs about finance, technology, and customer experience? Future goals and aspirations. Discuss the founder's vision for the future of OnPay and their broader aspirations for the financial industry. What are their plans for growth, innovation, and making a positive impact? The founder's impact. Industry influence. Examine the founder's influence on the financial industry. How have their innovations and ideas shaped the landscape? Social and economic impact. Discuss the social and economic impact of OnPay. How has the platform benefited individuals, businesses, and communities? Legacy and inspiration. Explore the founder's legacy and the inspiration they provide to aspiring entrepreneurs. What lessons can be learned from their journey? Summary. Recap the key points of the founder's story, highlighting their achievements, vision, and impact. Call to action. Encourage viewers to learn more about OnPay and the founder's work. Perhaps suggest following OnPay's social media channels or visiting their website. Closing statement. End the video with a powerful statement that captures the essence of the founder's journey and the impact of OnPay. Example closing statement. With their unwavering dedication and innovative spirit, the founder of OnPay has not only revolutionized the financial industry, but has also inspired countless individuals to pursue their own entrepreneurial dreams. So, the next time you use OnPay, take a moment to appreciate the visionary behind this groundbreaking platform. Consider adding end screens with links to OnPay's website, social media channels, and other relevant content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.